Pakikwento lang nga yung paano nag-rescind ang Miss Universe.
Paano
Di ba minura ni Presidente si Obama, umatras ang Miss Universe. Yun ang pinakamagandang story.
Naging political. Kasi yun, gumanti si Presidente, separation from US, sabi niya, nagpunta sa China. So, election sa US na-epekto na election doon. Galit si Obama. Yung pala na-epekto na Miss Universe dahil yung former chief of staff niya, kapatid niya yung may-ari ng Miss Universe. So, ganti, kinancel. Pero, fully paid tayo. We signed the contract. So, kako di ko masabi yan kay Secretary Wanda, kayo magsabi ka ako Miss Universe. So, nag-meeting uli kami, speakerphone. So, sabihin nyo kako, siya lang sabi, sorry to announce that Miss Universe is cancelled. But that's a breach of contract, sabi ni Secretary Wanda. Governor Singson have paid 12 million and signed the contract. We know, but the owner canceled it. We are just employee. I've been president for 12 years and 17 years, and I'm following instructions. They want it canceled. We even informed them that you paid and you might file charges, but damages. So pay them, whatever. They canceled, officially canceled. So, sumulat ako na you can cancel it, but I'll not file any damages. Hindi ko tinanggap yung offer nila. Yung mga abogado ko, tuwan-tuwa eh. No less than $10 million makukuha mo dyan. Dahil it's a breach of contract. It's a signed contract. You paid everything. So, damages, napakalaki yan. Hindi ako, pinakita ko, hindi tayo interesado sa pera. So, kung gusto kong pera, kunin ko na, wala pa akong pagod. Susuli lahat yung 12 million plus damages. Pero kako, no, please reconsider. I will not file any damages. Cancel it. But I will not file any damages. But please reconsider, because I've talked to a lot of corporations, to a lot of people. We assured them. So I lost credibility. Also, Miss Universe will lose credibility, canceling a signed contract. So, parang nagulat siguro sila. And of course, I use other friends. Hudyo yung may-ari. Ginamit ko rin mga Hudyo kong contact. So, Hudyo to Hudyo, siguro. Pero yung sulat ko, siguro nagulat sila dahil hindi ako interesado sa pera.
So, reverse psychology works para.
Although nagsisi ako.